to fix ChatGPT not detecting language of uploaded document. So if ChatGPT fails to detect or read the language of an uploaded document on a mobile device, it is usually because the file lacks a selectable text layer, uses unsupported character encoding, or the app's internal parser fails to extract the text properly. Now to fix this issue, what you can do is, if your document is an image-only PDF or a photo of text, ChatGPT cannot read the characters natively. Just run the document through an iOS or Android mobile OCR scanner app or an online tool first to generate a true text layer. You can also export or save a document as a clean text or document file rather than a complex or legacy PDF format, which often trips up mobile text extraction. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the ChatGPT app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check the app language settings. Open the ChatGPT app on your device, then tap the menu in the top left corner of your screen, then tap settings at the bottom. Now scroll down to voice and then find language. Tap on it and choose your language instead of leaving it to default. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.